Hello students, now again I am here with second video of chapter light chapter. As we are discussing, we will continue here. Today we will discuss the laws of reflection. There are two laws of reflection. Number one, the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. All these three lie in the same plane. Second law, the angle of reflection is always equal to the angle of incidence. Means angle I is equal to angle R. This relation, these two angles are always equal in magnitude. Now the type of reflection. We have two types of reflection. Number one, regular reflection. Number two, irregular reflection. Irregular is also known as diffused. It is also known as diffused reflection. So what is regular reflection? Regular reflection, it takes place on plane or smooth surface, and all the reflected rays are parallel. In the figure you can see these are the reflected rays. All the reflected rays are parallel. It forms the complete image. This type of reflection forms the complete image, and this is the figure of regular reflection. Now come to here. Irregular reflection or diffuse reflection, it takes place on rough surface or uneven surface. All the reflected rays are not parallel. You can see reflected rays all are not parallel, and it forms partial image. Due to this non-parallel reflected rays, it forms partial or incomplete image. So this is the figure. Regular reflection figure takes place on a smooth surface. Irregular reflections or diffuse takes place on rough surface. Now come to the image formed by plane mirror. We all know with the help of reflected rays, images are formed. So image formed on plane mirror. This is a plane mirror. You can see this is the plane mirror, and here this is the object. Rays are falling on the mirror, reflecting this side. Rays are reflecting this side, but if we will produce them back side, then it forms image. This is the image formed in plane mirror. So what is the nature of this image? Number one, it is virtual image, because you can see dotted line are forming this image. So it is virtual image. Same size of the image is same as the object. Erect image is erect image, straight. It is not inverted. Erect image and laterally inverted. You can see in this figure, a man is holding something in right hand, but in image it is holding something in left hand in image. So laterally inverted image we are getting. Side part is inverted. So it is called laterally inverted image. And distance of the image and distance of the object both are same from the mirror. You can see here x and x, the distance. So this is the nature of image formed in plane mirror. So you have to draw this figure also. These two figures are also important. This difference is very important, and laws of reflection very important. So this is a very important part from light chapter. So this much only today. Just go through, try to understand. Okay, thank you. Let me close the figure part. This is figure image in plane mirror. Left side object, right side image, middle mirror is there, distance x, both are same size image, erect image. Okay, Clear? And this is irregular reflection figure. This is regular reflection. Just go through, try to understand.